You want Hi guys, welcome back to Get Coded. In today's channel, girl, it's the hunger, I promise you. In today's video, we are basically just having a productive day with me at university, as you can see. And I got myself a burger. I'm so hungry and I just want to like eat very fast before I have my study session, which you guys will be accompanying me with, by the way. I had a really lovely morning. The first thing that I did in the morning is that obviously I got ready and then I got to school. I met up with my psychologist. We had a chit chat about a lot of stuff, eh? And I think what stood out for me is the fact that she said always do what's best for you and never compromise. Never compromise. You hear me? Stay true to you. Yeah. Excited to see where the day will go. I know some of you guys are like confused. Like, girl, are you studying and eating? Yeah, I am. But I'm gonna sit down. I just wanted to like intro. You know? Guys, did you see my hair? Like, how cutie.
How cute am? Looking like a fairy princess, goddess, queen. Looking sexy. Scrumptious, cute. Like, I look nice. I'm gonna show you this outfit. Okay.
Yeah, let's enjoy the day and have a productive day. Trying to get into the books because it's the last week of like uni before exam block week, so it's basically the last lap of the year. We must finish on a high note because what else can we do? Chat is, I want to give you a rundown of what I'm going to do for the day, but I'm scared what if I don't do what I said I'm going to do. But I'm gonna do it because I need to do it. I don't even know at all. But I'm planning on also going to the shops to get a few groceries because my fridge is looking a little empty. Not only is it the end of the year, it's almost like the end of the month. No, it's not almost, it is. So you can only imagine. Yeah. I feel beautiful.
Guys, you guys should always look beautiful when you come to campus. Like, the confidence, the energy. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up, way up, I feel blessed. Hey!
I need you poolside, you've been on my mind. What if you won't mind? We're doing bad anyway. I like your south side, I like you on top. You make my heart stop. You make being me less hard. Got to quit my job. When I take it, that's just how you gotta do. I'm addicted, that's why I keep calling you. Diamond boy, why you so shiny? Diamond boy, gon' get behind me, rodeo. Diamond boy, your light so blinding. Blind, baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? And baby, if it's only tell me, am I saying too much? Baby, if it's only to tell me, am I doing too much? Probably if it's only to tell told you to tell me.
Waiting for class to start, and I'm literally craving a wrap that I had yesterday. You guys should see the video that I made. It's gone.
The Rapping Chef Master Competition. Y'all are not ready. Okay, stop. Okay, I think, yeah, both of our things too. I think. Yeah, okay.
So don't flip the phone.
Why would you?
When you're done it, say now this is yours and then that's
Oh, please, be quiet.
I know, like.
Oh, shame shit. That's a bad skill. That's a bad rapping skill, bro.
Homie?
Yeah.
Check. This looks like it's coming from KFC, you know?
Guys, he's so bad at it.
Looks like it's falling out.
Mine is beautiful.
They'll definitely try this. That's food.
Voila. Whose one is the best?
I gotta ask this now.
Yours looks so bad.
Looks like it's coming from KFC.
Mine looks like something you could buy from a restaurant.
Wait, we're at the competition. Now, what are we gonna do? I'm going to spa, and I'm here with. Hi guys. Your nose looks gorgeous, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, dude. No, end of the year. Cause what do you mean? We actually that means that guy.
Still mine, wanna pass some time. Now I'm sitting here, thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you got another life, you gotta concentrate, baby.
Volleyball. I used to do jiu-jitsu when I was younger though. Why did you take me another one? Regardless of our dog shit.
You are late. You catching on very well. I think you don't need to slap the table, you just need to play it, period.
I couldn't lay my double kick, I couldn't lay my double kick.
Some girls worldwide.
few moments later.
The song. Turn around. Can't say much for the fact that like my sinuses are killing me. Guys, it's not even funny. I don't even know what it is. My friend assumes it's the pollen in the air. I'm like, I don't care. Heal me. That's all I care about, please. I just want to be okay. I just want to be okay. I got this from Signature. I got this from like a Chinese beauty shop. Like I can't. Well, I decided with this band. But anyways, guys, I'm scared. But I have to tie the lever. I have to choose and just do it. I love when I'm just like looking like a glazed donut in the evening, like. And then my sheets are going to devour me. That doesn't sound right. My sheets are just going to love me. Yeah, it sounds worse. But like, I'm just gonna be in my sheets, enjoying my sleep. Hopefully today my sleep is not interrupted. Guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. And my nails. Nice thing. Yo, I'm gonna do my lashes, not saying. First lash, let's see what's going on. Guys, under or in or under. Yo. Ha, ha, ha. Yo. Hi, Just let my love. These lashes better behave because I'm not about to wake up chopped tomorrow. Chop that shit. The lash girlies need to tell me how they keep their lashes on because it's not even funny. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be like, Yes.
You up and left me. We were close friends, awesome lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you don't.
Too many options.
I'm so sorry for the noise. There's like an icon in the bathroom, so it makes the noise. But yeah, I had such a lovely day. Now I'm gonna put on my skin mask and go do some work and get to bed. But it was so lovely. I feel like being in the student center and hearing all those dominoes, even though I was not playing because I was playing through norms, it was so fun. It was incredible. And I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Would I do it again? No. But was it lovely? Yes. I enjoyed being a student and doing student stuff, you know. Sometimes I feel like I don't record as much because obviously I get scared. Like, you can't just like take out your camera in people's faces. Except it's public spaces. But yeah, the chances that I do get to record, I genuinely enjoy. I feel like today at Spa was fun recording. That feels so good. Alright, guys. Oh, how I love being a girl. I love how my hair is stuff. I love how my nails look done. Being a girl is fun. Guys, I did it wrong. This thing is. Wait. Don't make me struggle. Don't make me struggle now. Okay. That's sight. Oh, It smells so good. This is from Glow Potion. It's a face mask. Guys, it feels so good. Oh my gosh. Being a girl is fun. Yeah. That's how it looks. It smells so amazing. Is there a sweet that smells like this? I'm the last person to be asking about sweets. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please. Wait, I need my tea. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Cat Color family, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new, stick with the family. Stay on the fun side. You know that's the fun side. You know that. But yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you when our next video.